Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of point of sale French NF525 for the Magento 2 platform. And in today's video tutorial we'll be showing you how the admin would be able to set up this particular plugin so as to set up the digital signature of authentication for the orders that have been placed through the point of sale outlets. So basically before we proceed further, what I'll be doing is I'll be just giving you a small gist of this particular plugin. So basically this plugin allows the store owners and the sales agents to comply with the French law, and thereby a digital signature is displayed on the invoice, point of sale order details and the receipt copies, thus helping the admin to keep a record of the verified point of sale orders, and the customers also receive a completely authentic invoice. Apart from that, the admin would be able to initially enable or disable this particular functionality, and the sales agent can process a checkout by adding a product to the POS cart, and after placing the order, the sales agent gets a success message for the placed order along with the digital signature of authentication. So let's get ahead and let's see initially how this particular thing works. So we'll be showing you how the certified signature can be attached to the POS orders, wherein the authenticity of the records can be maintained by the admin whenever a product has been purchased or a service is purchased within the physical store itself. So let me take you to the web store front end first, and on the POS terminal I'll be showing you how the sales agent would be able to place an order and how the digital authentication signature would be attached to that particular receipt as well. And lastly, I'll show you how the admin would be able to check the particular authenticity from the admin backend and how he can enable this particular functionality for the point of sale terminal or the point of sale plugin. So let's get to the front end for the POS first. So here I'm at the POS terminal right now. So as a cashier or the sales agent, I'll be entering my respective email address and the password, and then I'll be tapping the sign in button. So the POS terminal has loaded, as you can see here. So as this is just a demonstration video today, so I've used some products, and these are all demo products that I've added within the POS here. So what I'll be doing is I'll be adding certain products to my point of sale cart here. So here on the right hand side you can see that I've added the two products here, and now what I'll be doing is I'll be navigating to the pay section here on the bottom right hand corner to make a checkout. So here you can see that we have the address and the other sections. So what I'll be doing is I'll be mentioning the complete user manual of this particular point of sale plugin also in the description below. So for any other information regarding the point of sale system, you can refer to that particular link as well. So now at the end, when the sales agent needs to place the order, he'll tap the place order button. The order would be placed successfully, and here you can see that we have the receipt as well, and we have a button that says please wait. So a digital authentication signature would be added to this particular receipt that has been generated over the point of sale physical store. So here you can see that this particular authentication signature has been added. So this signature is also visible within the invoice that is to be generated. So if I tap on the print invoice button, you can print it off. Here you can see the what we say as the digital signature has been added to this as well. So let me save this particular. I don't have a printer attached to my POS terminal right now, so I'll be saving this particular as a PDF file first, and let me open that file for you, and then I'll be showing you how exactly. So here you can see that we have the same order that we have placed, and here is the authentication or the authentication certification here, as you can see. So so this certified signature gets added to the POS invoice as well. And now let me take you to the admin backend panel, and let me show you how the admin would be able to check the verified point of sale orders that have been placed by the point of sale agents from the POS terminals. So for that, I'll take you to the backend now. So what I'll do is I'll log into my account for the backend. So just give me a second for that. So I've logged into my backend panel, and on the admin side panel here, you can see the point of sale menu option is there. And here we'll have to navigate to the POS order section. So let me open that up for you. So here we are on the POS order section. So we just placed this order at the front end, and the order ID was order number 48. So here we can see that we have the order number 48 here, and the verified status under the verified column can be checked. So you can see that it's verified, that the sale has been verified, and a digital signature has also been applied for the order that was placed. So the admin can also tap the view order link here to check the details of this particular order that has been placed. And similarly, for all the orders that will be placed through the POS terminals, would be having this particular what we say as the digital signature or the authentication signature for the authenticity of each of the orders that have been placed. So so this was how the admin can check the verified and the signatures from the admin backend panel by navigating to the POS section and then the POS orders. Now, how to enable this particular functionality within the POS itself? So you need to navigate through stores and then configuration, and on the configuration page under the webcool block here, you can see we have two different options here. So we'll go to the POS submenu option that we have, and here on the POS we have different configuration settings. So as this particular plugin is just for the addition of the digital signatures for each of the orders that get placed over the POS physical stores, so but we just need to enable the POS French NF525 that is in accordance with the French law. So we need to enable the signature by choosing a yes, and if we choose a no, then no digital signature would be added there. So yes, and for the rest of the configuration for the complete POS system, you can check the link that I have added within the description section to know more about the POS configuration, PWA configuration, and the email templates. So that was much about the point of sale French NF525 plugin for the Magento 2 platform, and I hope it helped you out. And if you have any questions or queries regarding this particular plugin, then you can always get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may raise a ticket at webcool.uvidesk.com. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day ahead.